DuraSafe, installation of the 5-foot chain and chain wheel lock. The chain lock works as a normal chain and can be locked around items like bikes, scooters, canoes, kayaks, gas cans, generators, tires, gates, grills, tree stands, and many more. As a wheel lock, use a lug nut torque wrench to loosen a lug nut on the wheel that you want to secure. Simply install the small lightweight mounting bracket underneath a wheel lug nut. Then tighten securely with a wheel lug nut torque wrench. Wrap the 5-foot chain around the frame. Attach each end of the chain to the mounting bracket, then simply secure with the lock head. Find out more about products from DuraSafe and their key-to-life capabilities at DuraSafeLocks.com. DuraSafe, it's time to lock up your gear.